Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rich from Problem Solved. Thanks again for watching. If you've been following along, I've been doing the pool water chemistry testing with the test strips and reading the test results and determining what's the best course of action, what you can add or leave in order to keep your pool clear and sanitized. So it's July 28th. And I had very little, if any at all, left of the chlorine tablets. As I stated, I use kind of like a hybrid method. I always like to keep the chlorine tablets, one or two, floating in the pool and slowly dissolving. So at least I know I'm going to have consistent level of chlorine in the pool. I also add bleach, and bleach is depending upon the usage and the weather. If it's hot and you use the pool a lot, the bleach is going to absorb by sunlight and dissolve. So stick with me. We'll keep it going, and we'll keep reading the tests, and we'll go from there. Thanks again for watching.